From the Smarter India exhibition in Gandhinagar, Mojo for Industry brings you an exclusive conversation with DhaSh PV, a leading force in India's solar component manufacturing sector. In this interaction, we explore the company's journey, innovations, and vision for powering the future of reliable solar energy solutions.
DhaSh PV Technologies Limited is established in 2017 with a vision of manufacturing of photovoltaic junction box. Our capabilities is it's extended for design, development, and manufacturing, and providing a complete solutions to the customer in order to provide the competitive pricing and also for the qualitative product. We create the position in the market by designing, development, and the manufacturing of the products. We are the first Indian company to start the manufacturing of IEC and UL standard products. And today we have delivered 35 ampere junction boxes and the 2000 volts junction box and the connector for the market, which is required for the future product. In terms of the key milestones, so definitely that as I mentioned, that we are the first company in India to certified with IEC and UL standard product, which is required for the global standard. And the scaling, so that we are the first Indian company to coming with a 63 gigawatt of capacity, so which is catering the maximum demand of the domestic requirement. So DhaSh is coming with a commitment of high quality product manufacturing, innovation, and competitive. So it has a prominent manufacturer of the solar components manufacturing. So our vision to build the $1 billion company in the renewable energy space in terms of the component manufacturing, and at the same time meeting the global demand. So which is our team is already working towards quality product manufacturing and also for the scaling for the global demand to meet the requirement.
DhaSh PV Technologies, since its inception, has continuously and tirelessly worked in the backward integration of the manufacturing. We as a junction box manufacturer always invested ourselves for the backward integration activity, especially in the injection molding, DC cable manufacturing, and manufacturing of all the components required for junction box manufacturing, which distinguishes DhaSh from all other companies in the similar sector. Apart from the backward integration, as a solution provider to the industry, DhaSh has come up with innovative products like the composite frames for the solar PV modules, which will be beneficial in the corrosive and the saline environments. And the product is completely different in terms of composition compared to the market available products. DhaSh has also started manufacturing of solar PV ribbons and the interconnect bus bars, which will be adding further value addition to all the consumers of the solar PV modules. At DhaSh, technology comes utmost importance. When we talk about any product, be it a solar PV junction box or a PV connector, safety and reliability is of topmost concern for DhaSh. Design and development process is never an outsourced process for DhaSh. Along with the design scope of higher rated junction boxes, the contact resistance requirements has been addressed equally and uniformly, which meets the minimum contact resistance requirement, leading to less power dissipation for the PV modules. When it comes to the junction box or the connectors, engineering plastics play a very important role. Engineering plastics are available in different forms, different grades, and different prices. So, selection of the engineering plastic is of utmost importance considering the weatherability conditions, chemical requirements, chemical restrictions, and all other electrical parameters. DhaSh PV Technologies is the only manufacturer in India who comes with the complete certification requirement. So the products manufactured by DhaSh is qualified by both IEC and UL, and that is the first time in India having dual certification on such products. Additionally, the products for DhaSh is tested for 3 times IEC for the longer duration tests. Going forward, as a future-ready company, the solutions offered by DhaSh meets the requirement of higher voltage categories, especially the 2000 volt DC requirements. The 2000 volt DC products are covered under the scope of 2PFG and UL, and DhaSh has very well covered all these compliances in a structured manner.
With a clear focus on innovation, quality, and supporting India's growing solar ambitions, DhaSh PV continues to play an important role in building reliable and future-ready solar infrastructure.